Welcome back, boys and girls. You may not know this, but NBA season is starting back on July 31st. 22 teams all going to Orlando to finish out the regular season as well as the playoffs. So to celebrate them bringing back the NBA season, we'll be creating our own little basketball goals today. The supplies you will be needing for this will be your pipe cleaners, your backboard, cardboard backboard, your styrofoam ball, and the netted material, and your markers as well. Alright, so boys and girls, first thing you would do is do a design on your cardboard, whatever you want to put on it. You can put Steve Nash because he is the best point guard probably. Steve Nash. I was about to put point guard, sorry about that. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take our netted material. We're gonna take the pipe cleaner that's not cut in half. We're gonna take the full pipe cleaner. So what we're gonna do is go along the top side of our netted material. We're gonna thread this in every 2 holes, okay? So you're gonna skip 2 holes and then go in. And then we're gonna fast forward this, it's gonna look like this after you finish it. All right, next thing we're going to do. All right, so boys and girls, we're gonna flip over our backboard, right? And we're gonna take our netted material with the pipe cleaner and we're gonna line it up with the hose on the cardboard with the hose and the netted material. We're gonna take one of our halves of the pipe cleaner and we're gonna come through and we're gonna get it into the same hole as our first pipe cleaner was in. If you don't get in the same one, it's okay. But just twist those off once you get that one pipe cleaner in. And then we're just gonna go in and out of these holes, okay, boys and girls? Make sure you go through a hole with the netted material as well. Probably explain that. Alright, so boys and girls, you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. With this extra pipe cleaner right here, you can just simply cut it off or just fold it up. This will be your finished product. Also, make sure to color your styrofoam ball, decorate it any way you want to, shoot it in. I will be giving you a piece of string so you can hang this up somewhere in your house, and that's it, boys and girls.